The dream house interior is an exquisite blend of the elegance, comfort, and modern design. Every element has been carefully created to create a space that explores luxury, provide a sense of serenity from the moment you step inside. You are greeted by a grand entrance hall adorned with the stunning hanging from a high ceiling, casting a warm and white glow. The living room is heaven of relaxation, featuring plush, oversized sofa arranged around a sleek, contemporary fireplace. The walls are adorned with the tasteful artwork, and the large floor-to-ceiling windows allow an abundance of natural light to fill the space, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Adjacent to the living room is a state-of-the-art entertainment area complete with the home theater system, comfortable reclining chairs, and a large projection screens offer massive scientific experience. The room is strategically treated to ensure the optimal sound quality, making it the perfect space for the movie nights and entertainment guests. The kitchen is a chef delight, boasting top of the line appliances, a spacious center island with a built-in wine rack, ample storage space, sleek moped countertop, and custom symmetry create a luxurious atmosphere, while a cozy breakfast nook provide a casual dining area for quick meals. The dining room is an elegant space designed for hosting formal dinner parties. A long polished wooden table is surrounded by a plush upholstered chair and a dazzling calendar hang overhead, casting a soft warm light on the meticulously set table. The bedrooms are the private retreats, each with its own unique style and ambience. The master suite is necessary to comfort the featuring a king-size bed with a center bedding, a private sitting area, and a spa-like inside bathroom with a deep soaking tub, a rain shower, and heater amenities. The guest bedrooms are equally luxurious with cozy furnishing and shared bathrooms and stunning views. Throughout the house, smart home technology seamlessly integrates with the design, allowing for the effortless control of lighting, temperature, and security. Automated blinds and curtains can be adjusted with the touch of a button, creating the perfect ambient for any occasion. Dream house interior also includes a dedicated home office with sleek modern furniture, ample natural light, a well-equipped gym, with state-of-the-art exercise equipment, trinkets area, a snow stream room, side table for ultimate relaxation. The outdoor space is an extension of interior, featuring a meticulously landscaped garden, a sparkling swimming pool, a cozy outdoor sitting area with a fire pit perfect for alfresco dining, enjoying a glass of wine under the stars. Some The dream house interior is a harmonious blend of the functionality and the comfort. It's a space where luxury meets practically, creating a heaven that fulfills all your desires and provides a sanctuary for the outside the world. The dream house interior is an exact blend of elegance, comfort, and a modern design. Every element has carefully created to create a space that exudes luxury, joy, and sense of serenity from the moment you step inside. You are greeted by a grand entrance hall, torn with a standing picture hanging from a high ceiling, casting a warm, inviting glow. Harmonious blend of warmth, functionality, and the comfort. It is a space where luxury meets a particularity, creating a heaven that fulfill all your desires and provide us plenty from the outside world. Thank you.